my creatives, and welcome to another video. So today I'm here to share another junk journal with me, and this time we're going to talk about how to improve your self-love with journaling. So today I chose a photo of myself to journal about, and this is also the first project in this journal. If you want to know how I made this journal, I will leave the video link down below in the description box for you so you can see how I made this journal and what I used for this journal. But today I'm journaling a picture of myself, and I'm using things that I received from pen pals. So these are all different kinds of things. I have baskets in drawers, and they are color coordinated, and I put all my Happy Mail goodies and subscriber goodies in there. So I just rummaged through them, and I used the colors of my photo to give me a bit of a guide to pick my products. And I had fun using the supplies you guys sent me. So today I am journaling about my self-love or my self-worth actually, because I have trouble with my own value. And although I sound very confident and I say all these things to other people, sometimes it's hard to believe it for yourself, especially for me, since I grew up in a household where I was worth nothing. So that is something that I am learning. And to reinforce my feeling that I am worthy, I am journaling about that. So this was a pretty heavy thing for me to do, but it really helped me, because I took a photo of myself and I'm going to write on my page, I am worthy. I wrote it in Dutch because I am Dutch, so if I put it in Dutch it has more impact. I think a lot of you will know when you have your mother language that is more impactful than your second language. But that is what I'm journaling today. And it is a very good exercise to really say to yourself, I'm worth it. And you are worth it. So why not journal it? So why not put it down on paper, just black and white there? It's there. It's right in front of you. So I want to challenge all of you who are watching this to create a journal page about you and about how you improve your self-love. So for me, it's putting down I am worthy. Maybe for you it's the same. Maybe there are different things that you are working on. Maybe you feel very insecure, but put down there, I am a secure person. I'm confident. I can do this. Put some positive affirmations for yourself on a journal page with your photo. And it's hard, I know, but it will help build your self-love and improve your self-love. So back to what I'm actually doing. So I stuck down some washi tape as a background, and then you saw me cut out a beautiful piece from your Creative Studio kit. I end up not using it on this journal page, but just a scrap of text paper, and I'm going to glue down this beautiful tree that was also sent to me. This photo of me is outside when it was snowing, so I thought it was fun to create some sort of a winter scene. I love snow. Snow makes me really happy. We don't have it that often in the Netherlands, so that is why it makes me so happy. So I thought it was the perfect photo. I also have these two wax seals. I believe Sayer sent me those. And I have this booklet of vellum shapes or vellum sheets with prints on there, and I found this beautiful print that I thought was perfect for this page, so I'm going to stick that down with some glue stick, because vellum is very hard to glue down and you can see the adhesive through this, but I found that glue stick usually works pretty well. I'm also going to use some washi tape that I bought from AliExpress to add to my collage, and I'm actually really happy with how this page turned out. It was really fun first page to do, and also a very important topic. It is also something I'm working on in therapy, so that is why I journaled about it, because journaling is often for me a way to help me with my mental health, or to process feelings, or to let go, or sometimes rant. I also have a personal journal that I do not share online because sometimes I just want to be unreasonable in my journals. I don't know, do other people feel like that? Sometimes I just need to be unreasonable, and I know I'm unreasonable, but sometimes I just need to be. And rather put that in journal and in written word, and nobody has a thing to do with it, than, you know, be unreasonable to other people or to my husband. Because, you know, the ones that are closest to you are always the ones getting caught in the crossfire. But yeah, for this, I am working on my self-love. And so that's what I'm journaling here. So I wrote out, ik ben het waard, which is I'm worthy in Dutch. And now I'm going to write this whole page full with the same sentence over and over and over again, to print this in my mind that I am worthy. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked this video, I would love it if you'd give me a thumbs up. I would also love it if you'd consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Put the notification bell on all notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye!